What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my Tesla investment. Now, this is a very interesting topic because I bought Tesla. I invested in Tesla a year ago, actually August 31st of 2020, and it is officially a year later, and I want to talk to you guys about my Tesla investment. I even have done a little swing trading in regards to Tesla. So in this video, once again, we're talking about my Tesla investment. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I am nowhere close to being a guru, but I did make a couple of bad choices and good choices. Initially, the short rundown is I made so many bad choices initially when I was getting started because I was trying to be a day trader. I didn't do any paper trading. I didn't do any practicing because, of course, I'm arrogant and I got it. So I know how this works. I jumped right in and I lost a lot of money right away. I actually was down at one point $63,000. And now I'm finally back in the green, which I'm super duper happy about. And Tesla was responsible for that. As a matter of fact, my investment with Tesla is absolutely responsible. I'm actually up over 40% right now with my investment in regards to Tesla, and I couldn't be any more happy. I'm going to show you guys on my Robinhood account, and I'm also going to show you the little bit of profits that I made swing trading on Webull. So it's a very interesting topic. Once again, I want to talk about the fact that my Tesla investment a year later and how that is going for me. So as of the making of this video, it is September the 2nd. You guys can see my portfolio, Robinhood portfolio on the screen right now, and I'm just going to show you on my computer. Today is September the 2nd, okay, as of the making of this video. Who knows when I upload it because I have to edit videos, so we'll see, but as of the making of this video, it's September the 2nd, okay? With that being said, I'm going to jump into my account here with Tesla. And as you can see, Tesla is trading currently for $734.32. Right now, this is live, okay? My market value is $51,404.50. Of course, it's fluctuating because this is Tesla and it's gonna do that. My average cost per share is $493.39. I currently own 70 shares of Tesla, and this is the magic right here. I'm currently up 48%, okay, which for me is plus $16,883.72. Of course, it is going to be changing as I'm talking because this is live, okay, so I am super duper happy. Just to kind of show you guys a little context, because I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, if I touch on go back to my Robinhood account here where you can see the balance, and once again, this is live, so this is going to be fluctuating. Today, as you can see, has been interesting. The market opens for me here in Houston. Pre-market's 8 o'clock. So since 8 o'clock, there's been a lot of fluctuation. I've been up at one point $1,300. I've been up at one point $1,500, and right now I'm only up $163. But I'm going to click on all just because I want to show you guys this. I'm not trying to glorify trading and that like, oh, it's easy to make money in the stock market. Yes, it can be if you make the right choices. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, you definitely want to do that because this channel is about showing you my journey and showing you from my mistakes as well. And hopefully you won't make those mistakes. All right, so I'm going to click on all. And then this is basically my all-time investment on Robinhood. So way back here is 2016. I did not know what I was doing, so I lost about $4,400, which you can see underneath the balance of $232,000. You see a negative $4,399, and then I didn't do anything all the way until May of 2020. And since May 2020, I've invested $232,859. And 30 cents, okay? And then of course down here with this huge dip when I was down negative $63,000. So I'm just showing you guys that because I want to be transparent, okay? But since that point, I made some good choices. And one of the choices that I made that was really good was buying a lot of Tesla. And I will show you that I made my very first purchase with Tesla on August 31st, 2020, which is the day that they happen to split. So right here, we're looking at my history, and it's a very short one. Okay, so as you can see, very short history here. August 31st, I bought $32,780.88 worth of shares, and at the time it was $496 per share. And then on October 1st, 2020, I grabbed 4 more shares, and that was at $439.18 per share. Too bad I didn't just buy all the shares on October the 1st, 2020. That would have been really good, because it would have been substantially lower. Okay, so that's literally the only time I've purchased any shares. So you're looking at 66 shares here and 4 shares here. And if I scroll back up just to show you guys, keep it 100, I only have 70 shares with Tesla. So right here, there goes my 70 shares right there. That's it. So a year later, an investment of, let's do the math here real quickly, just to be safe, an investment of, I'll use my calculator real quick on the computer screen so you guys can see it. Okay, so we had 32,780.88 plus, well, that's 99, but okay, we'll go with 88 because that's correct, plus 1,057.70 equals a total of $34,537. So I've invested $34,537 way back in August and October 1st, and now it is valued at $51,000, which once again is a $16,000. I'm up $16,000. Cannot be any more happy. So as of the making of the videos, you guys can see the price is fluctuating. But another thing that I want to show you real quickly is I want to show you guys my Webull account. Okay, so I have a screen recording going on my iPhone right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and touch on the Webull app because I want to show you guys that I was doing a little swing trading with Tesla, and I did all right. Okay, so we're going to do Face ID here. It's saying that there's no internet connection. Let me get off the Wi-Fi and see if that helps anything at all. Okay, cool. So now we're in my account, and as you guys can see, right now I don't have any positions with anything. Okay, so my balance is $25,443.36. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys history real quickly here. Actually, I'll tell you what, I'll show you transfers. Okay, so we're looking at my transfers, and I've only made 2 deposits in my account. The first deposit was for $100 back in April. The second deposit was for $22,500. So altogether, that's $22,600. Okay, so we need to remember that. $22,600. Now, if I go back to my balance here is overall $25,443. I'll show you my history because I only have, this is all the history that I have on my Webull account. I bought 35, at the bottom of the screen, you see that I bought 35 shares and then I sold 35 shares. Okay, so if I scroll over here, I bought 35 shares at $616.48, and then I sold those 35 shares for $674.80. So I made a profit of $1,000 or so, which was really good. And then right above that, I grabbed some more shares, which was 36 shares, and I grabbed it for $681.65. And then I sold those right above that for $703.92. So literally, I just bought, sold. Okay, so I made, the first time around I made like a $2,000 profit, and then the second time around I made like $800 profit. So let's verify the math on that. Currently, my balance in my account is $25,443. And if you look at the transfers, once again, I've only deposited twice in this account. So altogether, we're looking at $22,600. So we're going to whip out my calculator here. So we have $22,600. We'll do minus $25,443. Which gives me I'm actually supposed to be a plus, but don't worry about it. I'm actually up $2,843 from swing trading Tesla. So this balance of 25,443, once again, I'm actually up 2,800 bucks on swing trading Tesla. So I did the math again real quick. 25,443 minus 22,600. I'm up $2,843. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys that is because that's incredible. I couldn't be any more happy coming all the way from being down $63,000 and now being in a position to be a little more confident and comfortable swing trading Tesla. There are so many different ways that people can make money in the market, but there is always going to be a learning curve, and that's the thing. There's going to be a learning curve unless you decide to invest your money in ETFs. You know, maybe ETFs that mirror the S&P 500 or ETFs that are the entire stock market, which two decent ETFs to consider would be, once again, ones that mirror the S&P 500 and another that mirrors the entire stock market. You may also want to consider VGT, which is an information technology ETF through Vanguard. I actually have shares with them, and they have grown tremendously in the last 5 years. So anyway, I just wanted to take the time to show you guys my Tesla investment journey, right? Basically my Tesla investment review. A whole year later, I couldn't be any more happy. Now, of course, if I knew what I was doing and I was being really aggressive, I probably could have been up more than $16,000 on Tesla if I was like swing trading it. But there's always a learning curve, and unless you're super duper lucky, there's never a straight path from A to B, from where you are and where you want to end up. It's never a straight path. Such is life. But I'm grateful for the journey, and I wanted to take the time, like I said, once again, to show you guys where I am in regards to Tesla. Since even starting this video, my account is now down $297. So very interesting, but overall I'm in the green and I couldn't be any more happy. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.